Hello and good day. A few days ago I sent you a video that went into the details of the costing on this chicken noodle soup finished good item. And we explained the details on how we came up with a real-time unit cost of $42.90 connected to the recipe and sub-recipes. What we're actually going to do today is step back and we're going to look into a little bit more details on the manufacturing metrics, both costing, utilization, and efficiency. Multiple areas obviously are important so we can completely understand our production effectiveness of your plants. So what we're looking at now is historic utilization. Now this is a new line, a sample line that came online in November. Here we have some production. We obviously did some tuning to the line, and now production is ramping back up. So over time, what you're going to see is, here's what our theoretical utilization was, here's what we actually did over time. Super important because we need to keep your production lines busy. What we're also now going to overlay is the concept of consumption variance. Consumption variance essentially is looking at what should I consumed, the dark line, and what did I actually consume, the dotted line, which might be a little bit hard to see. But you can see, here's what our expected costs were, here's what our actual costs were. So obviously we have some things to work through. We can drill into the data, we can get deeper. Well, we can actually drill into the data by looking at our finished production orders. So as I drill into here, what you actually see is the quantity of what I was supposed to output, what I actually did, the quantity variance, and the cost variance. So once again, in this quick window you can see here, this chicken stock bulk intermediate item had a 3.76% cost variance. Here are the individual production orders, and we can obviously drill into these and see what is going on. In some cases, it's scrap. In some cases, it's raw material issues, so on and so forth. But we have all the details here. Ultimately, what we're trying to get at is really the holy grail of this is now moving into a sales overview gross profit by item report. And we're looking at total sales, total profit by customer by item. So once again, as we look into this chicken noodle soup right here, we can see that we've $21,000 of profit in this time period, which is about 16% of our total profits attributed to our chicken noodle soup. So once again, that was a quick overview of how production efficiencies and costing and utilization all come together to give you a very clear window of your manufacturing efficiencies. Thanks much.